Mazda showed off the details of a new 3.3-liter inline-six engine for its CX60 luxury SUV that doesn't need a spark plug. As part of Mazda's multi-solution approach to accommodate consumers' needs, e-CX60 will join a 3.0-liter plug-in hybrid gasoline powertrain and a normal gasoline engine in the European CX60 portfolio. The new engine comes in 197 horsepower, 200 PS, and 251 horsepower, 254 PS, versions for rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive CX60s, respectively. For high thermal efficiency, both derivatives include 48V mild hybrid assistance and distribution-controlled partially pre-mixed compression ignition. The 251 horsepower engine allows the all-wheel drive CX60 to hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 7.4 seconds and return 53.3 miles per gallon, 44. Mazda doesn't indicate how much slower the standard engine is, but it gets 57.6 miles per gallon, 48 miles per gallon US, and 127 g/km less CO2. Mazda says the new 3.3 generates a smooth and quiet engine tone while offering a clean and engaging sound and weighs about the same as the CX-5's 2.2-liter diesel. This diesel mini renaissance is for Europe. The CX60, its still secret CX80 big brother, and the e-CX60 diesel engine won't come to the US. Instead, we'll get the larger CX70 SUV and the even larger CX90.